Hi everybody, just a really quick video explaining what you need to do for question 3 of the everyday use, hell, heaven, and saving Sardi questions. So what I want you to do there is just imagine that one of the other characters were having the main conflict in the story, and how might they react? And again, this is something that we understand because, again, character is just like a personality. So let's say, how one of your siblings would react if, let's say, a pigeon got into the apartment. One of them might freak out running around screaming. The other one might very calmly try and figure out how to get it out. Somebody else might find the whole thing funny and laugh and want to leave the pigeon in there. And so you can understand that different people will react to the same situations very differently. That's kind of what makes us different people. And so I want you to imagine that from one of those stories. Choose a different character, one of the characters that you did not discuss, and say, what would happen if they were experiencing that main conflict? How would they react to it? And again, as I say, you need to use your imagination for that. So hopefully that clears that up. And again, as always, let me know if you have any questions.